So, Xiaomi created a new cell phone. Yes, it's official. We got revealed, or I guess we got teased, the Xiaomi MLX Flip, which officially got revealed today, and we now know it's going to be coming out sometime this year. So, Xiaomi is another company that's joining the foldable phone market and trying to throw their hat into the ring to see what they can, get out of it. Now, this is an interesting phone because these are just renders, clearly, but it is weird as all freaking heck because this is the front display, this is the outside display. Obviously, the outside display has the 3 cameras. It also looks like it has a very similar hinge to what the Galaxy Z Flip 5 has, and obviously many other foldable phones on the market. But still though, this is such a weird display. Now, of course, it has the front display here. I want to say front display here has it's like answer calls, decline calls, but it looks like it's raised off the display. And it has 2 cameras right here. I'm not sure if that's just again, this is just a render, so I'm not sure what they're representing here. But this is going to be such a weird phone. Now, my guess is, again, like I said, we don't have all the information about this phone, that the outside display on this phone is going to be very similar to this phone, right? Where you have one beautiful outside display. Now, of course, on this phone, you can see that camera circle, I would say, is just absolutely humongous. Kind of reminds me of the Oppo Find N Flip 3, where it has, or N3 Flip, where it has that gigantic circle on the outside like that. Interestingly enough, now again, like I said, we don't have too much information about this. We know it's probably going to be coming out sometime this year. It's very possible that this phone does come with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 8 gigabytes of RAM, so very positive things overall wise. And again, this phone should be very, very good, right? It should be a really cool phone, to have. But I'm not sure how I feel about it. Again, like I said, it's not a phone that I'm probably going to be able to get anyway. I live in the United States, so I'm not going to be able to get any Xiaomi's, devices. Mainly, they released in China, and it's almost impossible to get it, sent over here. I can through eBay and other companies, but it's a process, and usually what ends up happening is those devices are bloatware loaded. Like crazy, and it's almost impossible to even use. And some of them don't even come to the Play Store. Some of them you have to install the Play Store yourself, or some people on eBay will actually say, hey, listen, for an extra additional charge, we'll install the Play Store for you. Which, again, like I said, it's just a whole entire process, man. So, it's not really a phone that a lot of people watching this video, myself included, is going to be picking up and buying. I know I bought a lot of phones, as of recently. We bought this phone, we bought the Z Fold 5, I have the Google Pixel Fold coming in 2-3 days, I have the Surface Duo 1 and 2 coming in 2 or 3 days. Yes, guys, I know, it's crazy. We bought a Surface Duo 1 and 2 online in 2023. But yeah, on a real note though, so I don't know how many people are going to be excited for this phone. I mean, it's nice to see somebody else joining the market. And the good thing about this in the end though is the fact that, the more people in the market, right, even if they're only releasing China, eventually they might become successful enough to go global. And that's the whole goal, right? As many companies as possible go global. They really help out the ecosystem. They really help out the competition, which is better for the consumer. So overall wise, this could be benefiting us in the end. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.